A Powerpal unit installed in my meter box so I could monitor my power usage. This is the model of it. Looks like this. Lasted about 6 months and stopped working. So I thought, well, probably the batteries, and they're not replaceable supposedly, but if you do find the unit valuable and you want to replace the batteries, you can prise open the casing like I've done here, just with a bit of a Stanley knife, bit of a magnetic bottom on it. But yeah, if you get the knife between there and run it along there all the way around, you can get the cover off, and you know, the cover will come off. And it's got two Panasonic batteries in it, glued together, and spot welded to a little circuit board that obviously must have a Bluetooth transmitter in it, and that interfaces and reads off the induction side of the meter in your meter box. So to replace it, yeah, prise it open. You need to prise off the contacts from the two standard AA batteries that are in it, and you'll see if I remove the batteries from the holder, they are also spot welded with a little tag on the bottom of them that I need to get off. But yeah, I'm just going to replace them with a couple of Vata batteries.